continuous professional development programme is supported by and developed in conjunction with the British Computer Society.
Continuing professional development is very important for a software development professional because we're in an industry where things are changing yearly, weekly, even on a daily basis. And so if you want to know what's happening, you've got to be out there and investing some of your time in seeing what it is going to affect you in the future. And what Software Alliance Wales is doing, both through monthly seminars and in these in-depth CPD sessions, is providing companies in Wales with what they need.
This course gave us the opportunity to be able to learn some new technologies to help develop our business and keep us at the forefront of technology and software applications.
Our customers have ideas to expand their websites into these areas using mobile technology, so they know what they want. This course has given me the confidence and the ability to know exactly how we can pinpoint the technologies that we need to provide for them.
And really what we're trying to do is in Wales get enough companies that there's a mass of people who know about these things and can share it with each other.
Yes, I would be interested in coming on more courses with the Software Alliance Wales, because the continuing professional development side of things is something that it's difficult to do when you're working 9 to 5, Monday to Friday. You're aware of these things happening, but to be able to come here or wherever the courses are offered and do an in-depth study of new emerging technologies is perfect for us. It really fits well.
If Software Alliance Wales can continue to deliver the quality of course that we've experienced this week, the programme should be very successful. As a business, if we can access this quality training, it's going to allow us to grow and flourish and be competitive in the industry.